안녕하세요. Hi everyone. I'm your number one native Korean teacher, Hong. Today we will continue learning Batchim. Today's target Batchim is 읍 sound. Could you try to read it? It is 가. How about next one? 까. And next, there's one more throw, more air. 카. Okay, so as you pronounce, all of these consonants sound different. Okay, so this one, consonant, 가. And next one, double consonant case, double blocking the air, sounds like 까. And the next one more stroke, more air, 카. As an initial consonant, these three consonants has their own sound value. But do you know they sound at the same place? Like when I pronounce 그 sound, my tongue is like this. My tongue, the back part, rise a little bit, like 그 가. And when I pronounce the second one also, 까. The tongue shape the same. Third one also, 카. The tongue shape the same. But the next line, you can see the Batchim is below the vowel. So they are Batchim, final consonant Batchim. So as Batchim, the most important thing is blocking the air. By the way, how can we block the air? The gun sound is at the Batchim. You have to block the air and then stay your tongue there, touching there. So it sounds like ak. If you pronounce like ag, that means you didn't block the air. Wrong sound. ag. It sounds very weird. And then next one, 까. The tongue touches this part for a second and then you detach your tongue from this part. So 까, and then the air is released. 까. But if it is at the Batchim, you have to block the air. Don't detach your tongue. And then you will just stay here and ak. And the next one also sounds 카. So your tongue touches here for a second and then you detach your tongue. And then the air is released. 카. But if it is located at the Batchim, your tongue stay here. ak. It's ak. And this is also ak. And this is ak. You may find that all of these sounds the same. Why? Because we block the air. Long story short, as an initial consonant, this consonant has their own sound value. But as a Batchim, they sound the same because we block the air. So what I mean is blocking the air makes these sound share the same sound. Let's practice. The book in Korean is 책. You have to block the air at the end. If you pronounce like 책 or 책, that sounds very weird. So you have to block the air. 책. And then can you try this? This is also 책. They sound the same. How about 책? ek. So all of them sound the same. But in order to indicate the book, we take this gun sound. Only this is a book. We don't have this word. Okay, it doesn't have any meaning. How to read it? 수박, 수박, 수박. Then how about this? 박, 악. You have to block the air. 수박. If you pronounce like 수박그, 수박그, it sounds very weird. You have to block the air at the end. 박, 박. And how about this? 박. This one is also 박, 박. If you pronounce like 박, 박, that means you didn't block the air. You should block the air. 수박, 수박, 수박. And then 수박 and 수박. All share the same sound, but in order to indicate watermelon, you have to write just gun sound. 수박. Only this spelling indicates watermelon. 수박. How to read it? It is 박, 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 박. If you pronounce like 박그, 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 it sounds weird, very weird. It's the wrong sound. You have to block the air. 박, 악, 악, 악 sound. 악, 악, 수박, 박. How about this? It is also 박, 박. And how about this? 박, 박. But in order to indicate outside, we take double gun sound. Okay? 부엌, 부엌. If you pronounce like 부엌, 부엌, that means you didn't block the air. You have to block the air like 억, 부엌. So how to read this? 억. And how about this? 억. So all of them sound the same because blocking the air makes them share the same sound. But in order to indicate kitchen, you have to take this consonant. Today we learned one of the most difficult Batchim in the easiest way in the world. Just remember that when we pronounce Batchim, the most important thing is blocking the air at the end. So thank you for watching today's video. 감사합니다. 그럼 다음에 또 만나요.